If you want to save time and reduce manual work, learning how to automate tasks in Salesforce is essential. In this beginner-friendly guide, you will understand how to automate everyday processes step by step, even if you have zero experience. Salesforce provides powerful automation tools that help you handle repetitive tasks efficiently and improve overall productivity. To get started, log into your Salesforce account and go to the Setup menu. In the Quick Find search bar, type Flow and select it, as Salesforce Flow is the main tool used for automation. Click on New Flow and choose a type such as Record Triggered Flow, which automatically runs when a record is created or updated. This is one of the most commonly used automation methods for beginners. Once you enter the flow builder, start by defining the trigger. Choose the object you want to automate, such as leads, contacts, or opportunities, and specify the conditions under which the automation should run. After setting the trigger, begin adding elements like update records, create records, or send email. These elements define what actions Salesforce should perform automatically. You can also use the decision element to add logic to your automation. For example, you can create conditions where a task is assigned only if a deal value is above a certain amount. Connect all elements using arrows to create a logical flow of actions. This visual approach makes it easy to understand and manage automation processes. After building your automation, click Save and give your flow a clear name. Then click Activate to make it live. Without activation, the automation will not run. It is also important to test your flow by creating or updating records to ensure everything works as expected. In addition to Flow, Salesforce also offers tools like Process Builder and Workflow Rules, but Flow is now the most advanced and recommended option. You can further enhance automation by setting up scheduled flows, sending notifications, or updating multiple records at once. In short, automating tasks in Salesforce involves creating a flow, defining triggers, adding actions and logic, and activating it to run automatically. Now that you understand the basics, start automating your tasks and make your workflow faster and more efficient. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.